August Smart Lock, your phone is now your key. August lets you securely unlock and lock your door using the August app. It's that easy. You can even set August to auto unlock, so August knows when you arrive using Bluetooth. You can set it to auto lock, so when you leave, August locks the door behind you, kind of like your own personal doorman. And with August proprietary DoorSense technology, you'll know your door is both closed and locked. Create secure temporary keys for family, friends, even service people. Grant access for a few weeks or a few hours. You decide. You never have to worry about copies of keys getting into the wrong hands again. August attaches to your existing deadbolt on the inside of your door. Installation takes minutes, and you can keep your existing lock and keys. Available on Android and iOS. August, the key to your smart home.
Now, smart homes, they're nice and they make our lives easier. But what do you do about the appliances that you already own that are not Wi-Fi enabled? Alexa, turn on the ceiling fan.
Sorry, I'm having trouble understanding right now.
And that's where the Bond comes in.
The remote controls in your home send special signals using radio waves or infrared. The Bond can read, remember, and duplicate these signals. It also connects to your home Wi-Fi. So using your phone, tablet, Amazon Echo, Google Home, whatever you want, you control the Bond controls your appliances, and you'll never need your old remotes again.
This is Jackery Bull with his built-in claws. He hates losing power, so he has a built-in weapon. He hates messiness, so he makes it simple and straightforward. If one fist can't fix the problem, he throws another one. Actually, 99% of your charge Jackery Bull.